In this video, you are going to learn how to make object holding mechanism using Unity, using animation rigging for IK hand, and using animations events to enable disable hand IKs. To calculate left and right grab points, we are going to use cross product. If you don't know what is cross product is, the cross product is a mathematical operation that takes two vectors in three-dimensional space and returns a new vector that is perpendicular to both of the original vectors. Easy to understand, if you give x and y vectors, cross will give z. In our case, player to holdable direction is one vector, and second one is vector 3 dot up. Now cross will help us to use casting ray from left and right to the object pivot. Now the hit points will be holdable points to the hand IK targets. Now our player can hold any kind of mesh objects with his hand. Full project link on description. If you like this video, consider like.